thousand all the way up to the 161 to 227,000 category. Under Barack Obama, up till about 227,000, you're getting tax breaks all along the way. With John McCain, you're getting bigger tax breaks, and as you get above $227,000, you start paying taxes, extra taxes under Barack Obama, and you get bigger tax cuts under John McCain. That was the before picture. Take a look at the after picture now. Right now, we have a national debt that stands at about $10 trillion. Okay, so look at under both of their plans, 12.1 trillion, I'm sorry, 12.1 trillion. That's where we stand right now. Add Barack Obama and John McCain's proposals right now, their campaign proposals, budget for those. It takes the debt up to 15.6 trillion with Barack Obama, 17.1 trillion with John McCain. Now you add this unexpected bailout plan, because it's got to come from somewhere. Our debt goes to $16.6 trillion under Barack Obama, $18.1 trillion under John McCain. And you know what happens when your debt goes up? Your dollar goes down, your interest rates go up, your productivity of your economy goes down, your jobless rate goes up. So you either keep that high debt structure changes. They're looking at alternative energy, building either nuclear plants in John McCain's case or a green economy, a green energy economy, as Barack Obama says. These are all things that are on the hook. We also talk about entitlements, but I have to tell you, total entitlements are about $20 billion, not even a drop in the bucket right now. So this is a big deal. They are going to have to find some big places to cut. And John McCain's talking about cutting defense. It's a little tough when you got a war going.
Yeah, huge deficit. All right, Ali, thanks. Still ahead, the latest from the campaign.